students, today our topic is properties of multiplication and division of fractions. Based on these properties, I will give you some questions that you have to solve. So first let us understand the properties of multiplication of fractions. The first point is fractions can be multiplied in any order. So here is the example that is given to you. 5 by 3 into 7 by 9 equal to 7 by 9 into 5 by 3. Means just the order has been changed, but the answer is remaining same. That is 35 by 27. Moving on to the next property. While multiplying 3 or more fractions, the product remains the same even if their grouping is changed. Means here you can see there are 3 fractions. 1 by 3 into 2 by 5 is grouped in 1 into 5 by 1 equal to 1 by 3 into here 2 by 5 and 5 by 1 is grouped together. In both these cases the grouping is different, but the now fractions are same. So you are going to get the same answer in both these cases. So that is why there is a equal to sign. Next is product of any fraction and 1 always is always the fraction itself. So if we are multiplying 7 by 9 into 1, we get the same answer, that is 7 by 9. Also vice versa, 1 into 7 by 9 will also give you 7 by 9. Moving on to bit 4. Product of a fraction and 0 is always 0. So you multiply two fractions like 15 by 28 into 0 is equal to 0 into 15 by 28. In both the cases your answer will be 0 only. Now we will learn about the properties of division of fractions. So the first property, let us see. When a fraction is divided by 1, the quotient is always the fraction itself. It means what? Suppose 7 by 19 divided by 1. What is the answer? 7 by 19. And you know that after division, whatever you get, that is called the quotient. Understood? And whatever left out in the division. But since it is a fraction, so this here, the answer is actually the quotient. Okay? When a fraction is divided by itself, the quotient is always 1. 3 by 5 divided by 3 by 5 is equal to 1. Here another one example is given, that is when 1 is divided by non-zero fraction, the quotient is reciprocal of the fraction. Means what? 1 divided by 5 by 9 is equal to 9 by 5. Now, looking at this example, you can easily understand this one. See, 3 by 5 divided by 3 by 5. This means what? This division operator changes to multiplication, and instead of 3 by 5, we will write the reciprocal of 3 by 5. That is the second fraction's reciprocal, not of first fraction. The second fraction, second 3 by 5, it is written as 5 by 3. After multiplication, the product is 1 because there is the 3 and 3. The numerator 3, denominator 3 of the second fraction get cancelled out. Denominator 5 and the numerator 5 of the second fraction also get cancelled out. So you get 1. Okay, here also 1 divided by 5 by 9 is equal to 9 by 5. How this is done is same thing. 1 into 9 by 5, reciprocal of the second fraction. So that is equal to 9 by 5. Moving on to the fourth property, that is when 0 is divided by a fraction, the quotient is always 0. Whenever we divide, actually it is not only with fraction, any number, 0 divided by any non-zero number or even 0 itself also, the answer will be always 0. Actually, sorry, 0 divided by 0 is not defined, because you know that any number divided by 0 is not defined. So I will say 0 divided by any non-zero number or a fraction will always give us answer as 0. Division by 0 is not defined. This is the fifth and most important property of division. I hope you all have understood these properties. Now based on these properties, there are some questions of the exercise that we will give you. Okay, please solve this question. Let me discuss the questions. They are very simple questions, you can see here. These are some questions that I need to do with you. Like first question, you see 3 by 4 divided by 1 equal to dash. This is which property? When a fraction gets divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. So you have to apply that property here. So 3 by 4 will be the answer. Okay, one more I will take, like see 0 divided by this mixed fraction, that is 4 3 by 7. So this will be also what? This will be also what? It will give you 0. Yes or no? Because 0 divided by any fraction is 0, that we have learnt just now. Now you see, look at this last question here. Dash divided by 4 9 by 11 is equal to 1. Obviously a number when it is divided by itself is equal to 1. So here in this box also you have to keep 4 9 by 11. So I hope you all can do these kind of questions. Okay, thank you very much.